Hello, dear children. I hope you have learnt what I had explained yesterday. Really? Yes. Today we'll do the tasks of modal verb from page number 69. Open page number 69. Yes. Have you opened? Good. Take your pencil and we will write the correct answer in the blanks. But before that, let us read the question. Complete these sentences with could, may, will or might. Only these four modals we have to take in or fill in these blanks. First one already done for us, so leave it. Let us begin from the second one. The windows of the car are so dirty. So here it's talking about possibility, okay? Future possibility, that means, right? हो सकता है. But that I will never see the road through them. Let us read again. The windows of the car are so dirty that I will never see the road through them. Dirty है तो मैं पूरा देख ही नहीं पाऊंगी. It's talking about future action. Third one. You dash go home now. So it is permission. So you may go home now, but will you come a little early tomorrow? So this is permission and this is future action को indicate कर कल, लेकिन तुम कल जल्दी आ जाना. That means the children might complete the exam soon, but the teacher will not let them leave the room before the bell rings. See, children एग्ज़ाम जल्दी कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, लेकिन टीचर तब तक उनको जाने नहीं देंगे जब तक बेल रिंग ना हो. सो दिस इज लेस पॉसिबिलिटी एंड दिस इज फ्यूचर एक्शन. फिफ्थ नंबर. That dash be my neighbor. Her keys are with me. So this is most possibility. That may be my neighbor. Her keys are with me. Now turn the page. Page number 70. Okay. Rewrite these sentences using the correct modals. Use the clues in the bracket and the correct tense forms. So in the bracket already given some clues. According to that, we will write the sentence. We will rewrite the sentence. You can write just below it. I'm not writing because it will look dirty and I don't like, right? First one, the sky is cloudy but the sun is bright too, and it's talking about possibility of rain. So what can be? It's talking about less possibility. हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता. So what can be? Tell you, how can you reply? You are in mobile, right? Yes. So here the answer would be like that. It might rain since the sky is cloudy but the sun is bright too. That means less possibility है. हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. It is not always possible. So that's why we use might. It might rain since the sky is cloudy but the sun is bright too. I want you to have a safe journey. It is wish. For wish, what we can use? The word may. So may you have a safe journey. May you have a safe journey. So here we'll use the word may, and here might. Please hold these bags while I open the door. It is request and question. Request and question के लिए क्या था बताओ? Yes. So in this sentence we can use could. I think could would be the better option. Right? Could, it is formal request. So could you hold these bags while I open the door? Again, I'm going to repeat. I'll share the answer with you. Don't worry. Could you hold these bags while I open the door? मैं जब तक खोलती हूँ तब तक क्या आप पकड़ लेंगे बैग? Okay. Fourth number. I'm not hungry, but I'm not going to stop you from eating now. It is permission. Permission के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं बताओ? We use may. So I'm not hungry, but you may eat now. The simplest answer. I'm not hungry, but you may eat now. Permission given. She was speaking very softly. We were not able to understand what she was saying. It's about inability to hear. So you can use. So it is past tense. So प्रेजेंट एबिलिटी के लिए कैन यूज करते हैं, पास्ट एबिलिटीज के लिए कुड यूज करेंगे. सो दिस इज पास्ट. सो विच एबिलिटी? कुड. सो शी वॉज स्पीकिंग वेरी सॉफ्टली एंड वी कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड वॉट शी वॉज सेइंग. गॉट इट? सो दिस इज ऑल योर आंसर. ओके, नाउ विल जम्प टू पेज नंबर 71. Look at page number 71. In this page number 71, in the writing it's given a review of a book. Dear children, I am not asking you to give a review of any book, but it takes so much time and it will be really difficult for you because you are not in front of me, and it will be really tough for you to understand what to write, what not to write, and difficult to check also, right? So we are not going to do, it is not for you actually. Let us read, but to get knowledge how to give review of any book. Okay, introduction, title, type of books. In the very first paragraph you will give introduction, title, author, type of books. The Merry Adventures of Robin Hood is a novel by Howard Pyle. It is collection of different adventures from the life of the fictional hero Robin Hood and his band of merry men. Okay, so this is the title of the book and this is about author and little bit introduction about the book, what type of book it is. Okay, in the second paragraph you will write a very short summary, brief mention or main character only. Okay, short summary लिखना है, character के बारे में बहुत small introduction देना है, that's it. Let us read how it is given. The book is set in medieval England and most of the action takes place in Sherwood Forest. In each chapter, we go on a different adventure with Robin. Sometimes he is fighting with the sheriff of Nottingham. In others, he is helping the poor along with his friends. Little John, Fryestock and Alan Adil, wearing different disguises to hide from the evil sheriff. We follow Robin all the way to his meeting with King Richard. Will the king throw Robin and his men into the dungeons? What will happen to our hero? So this is the brief summary. Okay, At the last paragraph, what you thought of the book. That means it is your own perception, own thought, own idea about book. Okay. The Merry Adventures of Robin Hood is very interesting. This is your idea, okay? A book. I found it is difficult to stop reading. The main characters are brave, funny, and very easy to imagine and relate to. Although the book is written in a form of Old English, it is easy to read and understand. The pictures in the book are attractive and add to the reader's interest. In the story, this book is sure to be loved by all. So this is your own view / paragraph. First about book, author, and little bit introduction. Second paragraph, a short summary of the book. At the last paragraph, you'll write your viewpoint. Okay, so this is all we read. I enjoyed really reading this. Now turn page number 72. Here I am going to dictate you few words and you have to fill in the blanks with S-I-O-N and T-I-O-N. Both pronounced as shun, shun. Okay, listen it. Where to use S-I-O-N and where to use T-I-O-N. First one, recitation or recitation. Recitation. So which word will come? T-I-O-N. T-I-O-N. Okay. Revision. Revision. Now check your answer. Is it R-E-V-I-S-I-O-N? Then you are correct. Competition. So here you will use, now first you write down which one is correct thing. Okay, now listen the answer here. T-I-O-N. Permission. Yes, now the correct answer I am telling. Here you will use S-I-O-N. Connection. Connection. Here T-I-O-N. Division. Division. S-I-O-N. See, Jan mostly started with S, not only sun. It is started with T-I-O-N. So you can take care of that. Now you are going to fill with O-U-S and I-O-U-S. Os and ears. Os and ears. Famous. Famous. Us. So O-U-S. Precious. E-I-O-U-S. I-O-U-S. Precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Nervous. O-U-S. You add O-U-S here. Anxious. Here I-O-U-S. Enormous. O-U-S. 6. Serious. S-E-R-I-O-U-S. Serious. Jealous. 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 Curious. C-U-R-Q. Curious. I-O-U-S. Curious. So this is all about today's class, children. In the next class, I will explain you something more from the chapter. Till then, learn. Okay.